Hey everybody! If your Samsung phone's power button or your volume buttons are damaged, today we are going to show you how to turn on the assistant menu on your device. So let's just dive right in and get started. Open up the settings app for that on your Samsung device, and once you go to your settings, you can go ahead, scroll down and look out for the accessibility section and tap on it. Now within accessibility, you should be finding different options available. You need to look out for the option called interaction and dexterity and go ahead and tap on that option right there. And that should open up this section right here. Now you just need to look out for the assistant menu option. So once you find the assistant menu, you just need to find it up and look out for the toggle option right beside it. After you find it up, you just need to turn it on and you need to allow the permissions. So tap on allow and it will view and control the screen and also view and perform actions. You need to allow, and that should probably open up a interaction menu, assistant menu on your screen. That's it. Here you will be seeing a floating button on your screen. You can just go over and tap on it to look out for the features that they provide, where you can just go over and look out for the option for locking the screen, taking screenshots, controlling the volumes button up and down, opening up recent applications, going back or home, power offing or restarting the device. This is perfect if your physical buttons are not working, so you can just go over and do so and turn on the assistant menu for your Samsung Galaxy device. And that's it, everybody. You can follow this process. That's how we use it. So this video helped you out. Like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you in another video.